Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This USB cable, when we connect to computer port, it gives USB device not recognized. I did not connected anything, but just when we connect this cable, it is showing this message. Let's fix it. In this portion there is a bend sign. This end is looking good, but from here there is something wrong. We will cut it and we will inspect it from here. Yes, this is the problem. You can see all wires are shorted together. The rightmost pin, that is VCC pin, 5 volt VCC. There is data negative, white wire. Green wire, data positive. Last, black wire. And the lastest wire, تفضل.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. الله فيك. So this is the wiring connection. Now let's connect it. No message. Now I will connect mobile phone to check charging. Yes, it is charging and it detected this mobile phone. So that's nice. This was our fault condition. that when this cable was connected alone with computer, it was giving USB device not recognized. Now I will connect charger. Yes, that's nice. It's charging and it is displaying that this device connected. That means this cable is good. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.